So an identity is something that means the same. So your identity is yourself. Lots of times we have this multiplier of 1 we use in different cases, such as in the fraction that we were doing earlier by multiplying by 1. We also have the identity element for addition, subtraction. Really, it's just for addition. That would be 5. So identity is just making something look simpler. So if I had 4 plus 1, that would be equal to 5. So we're just rewriting it in a different form. So we're going to look at identities in trig form. So we're going to go back to this triangle here. And this is my angle theta. And if I'm looking at trig identities off of that triangle, my tangent, or my TOA, for that angle tangent, would be side opposite, which is y, over x. And I got to put that angle measure in there, so it's y over x. But we also, from looking at this, found the sine of that angle to be the y coordinate, side opposite. And we found the cosine of that angle to be the x. So tangent then can be written not only just y over x, but tangent is now sine over cosine.